Hi and welcome to 90 Second Knowledge, a series of short video tutorials aimed at helping you get the most value out of the digital marketing you do for your small business. In episode 6 of the Google Analytics series, we're going to take a look at the home screen. This is a really useful snapshot of a number of different areas of data relating to your website or app. Let's get 90 seconds on the clock and take a look.
The Google Analytics 4 home screen shows 5 key areas of insight, each one relating to a different part of your website. This first box shows users over a given period of time, which you can update in the bottom left hand corner. It shows users, average time on site, and revenue if you're an e-commerce website. You can also see real-time data of how users are interacting with your website and which countries they're arriving from. The Insights panel on the right will show hints and tips from Google to help you optimize your website. The next set of data shows the referral sources by which people are arriving at your website, both for users and sessions, because a user can have multiple sessions on a website. In this case, we can see organic search, none, which means direct to site, people are typing in a website address, and referral traffic. This could be social media, but if you're running paid media campaigns, you'll also see something like PPC. You can see the same information for sessions on the right hand side. Scrolling down further, we can also see the country data, and we can also see a trend of traffic over time on the right hand side, which helps us to understand if people are visiting the website more recently or traffic is tailing off. Scrolling down further again, we can also see if people are coming back to the website over time, and this graph on the left will show a heat map of that data. We can also see pages viewed by page title, and also we can see a number of events. We'll go through events in Google Analytics in more detail in a future video. Finally, if you're an e-commerce website, you can also see a snapshot of your e-commerce data here to help you understand if people are buying products, and if so, which ones. Hopefully, this short video has given you enough information to log into Google Analytics and start using the home screen to your advantage when making digital marketing decisions about your business. In future videos, we'll cover each of these topics in more detail to help you understand the nuances of the data and make even better, smarter digital marketing decisions to help your business. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check back soon for more videos to help you make the most of your digital marketing for your small business.